Here's a quick video of the planer. Here's the front of it here. As you can see, it's still in good, solid condition. It's the wheel, the Reeves drive wheel there. The scale for raising and lowering, the front badge. And then we'll get a close up here of the motor badge so you can see all the specs. 230 volt, 5 horsepower, 350 RPM, single phase. Alright, it's already plugged in over there. It's that long cord that's coming with it. I don't have any other machines to put it on, so it'd be pointless to take it off. Here's a close-up of the bed. That's that missing magnetic switch, magnetic starter cover. Sorry about that, I didn't even have it whenever I got it. Here's the other side of it, in good condition. Close-up of the front bed. I'll do a quick video of raising and lowering the bed so you can see it, how smooth it is. And there's the lowering. No effort at all. I'm doing this one-handed, and then raise it. Sorry for the shaky video, it's hard to do. Still one-handed. Alright. Now I'll go ahead and do a quick video of it in action. Get it set up on my bandsaw table over here. Gotta find something to prop the phone up on though. Okay, hopefully this works and does not fall down during the video. It's a piece of ash I'm going to be planing. Rough sawn piece of ash here. You can see the saw marks on it. I'll run it through once on both sides and let you see what it does. Took those saw marks right off. This is the back side there. Makes a parallel